Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play against a Moonballer. First, understand their strategy. They aim for high, deep shots to keep you on the defensive. Your primary goal is to disrupt their rhythm and force errors. Focus on maintaining consistent depth and patience, as rallies will often be longer than usual. Be ready to hit many balls, perhaps 5 to 10 shots per point, to gain an advantage. When attacking a moonball, step inside the baseline to take the ball on the rise. This reduces the time your opponent has to recover. Drive through the ball with topspin to maintain control and generate pace, aiming for a deep, aggressive shot. Focus on hitting angles and opening up the court, forcing your opponent to cover more ground and creating opportunities for winners. Maintain an aggressive court position, pushing your opponent deep into their court. After each shot, recover quickly to the center to anticipate their next high return. Vary your shots by incorporating drop shots and slices. These can effectively disrupt their rhythm, bring them forward, and create easy passing shot opportunities, especially if they are reluctant to approach the net. Playing a moonballer demands significant mental toughness and patience. Avoid the frustration of long rallies and focus on hitting consistent, quality shots. Understand that winning a single point might require hitting 5, 7, or even 10 good balls. Stay positive, celebrate small victories, and maintain your composure throughout the entire match to wear down your opponent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.